So instead of trying to redraw him each time, I could just duplicate this frame a few times. The previous one was 4 frames. I don't have to do 4, but I think it's probably easier, so I don't have to try to rethink what timing is. Keeps it pretty simple. I will, let's see, how do we want to do this? I think I'm going to go ahead and convert this down back to 32 because I liked working with those pixels and it was a little bit easier. And are we back at 32? We are back at 32. I will re-grab this shade. And we'll say that maybe that's what that step looks like. And grab this one and maybe move this leg forward a bit. Go back to the previous shade. Use the eraser a little bit. And try to make this look decent. Alright, and now I'll try to make this leg going forward. So something sort of like that. And we'll make this leg look like it's going backwards. Switch colors back to this color. Erase a little bit. Alright, well, it's not perfect, but I think that will work. And maybe on these frames, maybe he's just a little bit higher up. So that way it looks like he kind of bounces a little bit when he walks. So now we'll do export again. And on this one, we're doing a sprite sheet layout of 2 columns, 2 rows because we have 4 frames, so 2 by 2. So we'll download it, we'll save it, and I can drag this over. And this will be walk right. And if I want to do walk left really fast, I can flip all of them. And I'll export this one as well. And this becomes walk left. And now let's put them into Stencyl. So appearance, we'll call this one walk left. And we'll choose image and walk left. And it's 2 columns, 2 rows, just like we exported from Piskel. And we'll hit add. Oh, I forgot to multiply everything by 10 again. That's okay, we can do that real fast. So go back to the resize. There we go, make sure that's checked. Resize. Re-export 2 by 2, that's good. Delete those. Here we go, so here's walk left. And we can flip each of these back the way I had them to begin with. It is still at this 320 size, so that's good. And I can re-export again. And now this will be walk right. And so now we can import this new image of walk left in here. There we go, that looks better. It's 2 by 2, there we go. And now we can see the little walk graphic. We can add walk right, adding the frame, choosing the image. Here is my walk right, open. Once again, make sure that it's 2 by 2, since that's what we chose. And there we go. And now we can go to behaviors, and we can replace these with my new graphic. Walk right, since right's first. Walk left. And if we try it, it should work. Alright, so the idle is working. Oh, the walking is sort of working. The idle left is working. I forgot to go back in here and change the collisions for walk left and right, but you should be able to figure this out because we did it for the previous ones. I didn't show how to change the jumping or pronger, but it's the same thing that you just did with these. So you should take these same ideas, the same concepts from these, and now you should be able to change other graphics as well.